Alright guys, it is time to get this 4th of July started. Just lit the grill, got some steaks fixing to go on. Gonna be cooking some chicken, a few other things. More good times. Happy birthday, America. What do you see, Gypsy? You waiting on some barbecue? Is that what it is? Alright guys, I'm walking over now to get the fireworks, and we're going to be shooting off some fireworks here before long. We had a great supper and just had some fun so far today. It's getting a little later now, but it's not quite dark yet, but it's getting not far from it. My phone is actually brightening the outside up quite a bit. It does a real good job during low light. But I think what I'm going to do to give you guys a better perspective of the fireworks that we do, or at least some of them, is I'm going to wear my head cam, and that way you guys can see what I see. I think it's probably going to get us the best view. So just another 4th of July, having some fun on the 4th. Hope you guys are having some fun as well.
Like 16 of Whoa!
That might have been the last one.
Guys, hope you all had a great 4th of July. Let me know what you guys did down in the comments below. Be sure to check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.